Hi everyone, in this video, we're going to take an in-depth look at the Euhomy CF-35 car refrigerator. Installation, assembly and parts. Packing list. Control panel. Application and operation. Operating your fridge, freezer. Power requirements. Operating with 12 volts, 24 volts DC. volts, 24 volts DC. Power requirements. If your fridge is shutting off prematurely, it could be due to the following. Operating with 100 to 240 volts AC. Turn off the cooler. Hold the settings button until it displays E1. Press the settings button repeatedly to cycle through all 9 settings in order, as shown in the table below. Choose the setting you need and press the up arrow or down arrow to change and set the parameters. Temp control, general operation. Maximum temperature settings are from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Cooling range. Battery monitor setting. Features. Tips and maintenance. Cleaning and maintaining your ice maker. Maintenance and service. Specifications. Operating panel and app. Troubleshooting. Tips and suggestions.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel.